I'm Kalista Michelle, and I'm a student in SPB Borneo. So for this week, we're learning about Chinese food. This is one of our products. It is sweet and sour fish. If any of you guys want to join, you can contact SPB Borneo. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Doni and I am a culinary student from SPB Borneo. Today we are making Chinese food, and this is one of our products, almond jelly pudding Chinese style. And if you want to join like us, you can come to SPB Borneo. Thank you.